Assalamualaikum students, hope you are in good health. Today here I am to explain about the summer task of the 9th class chemistry. In first week, you have to learn each topic of the chapter number 6 and try to solve worksheet number 1 which is related to chapter number 6, solution. And for activity, you have to make 10 MCQs. In week 2, for question number 1, as you know, compounds of sulfur are those in which sulfur is present, for example, copper sulfate. These compounds are used as germicide. For example, water containing copper sulfate is used as fungicide. For question number 2, for activity of the week 2, consult chapter number 2 of your book and write electronic configuration of the element of the second period. Write electronic configuration of lithium. First element of the second period is 1s2, 2s2. Likewise, write rest in the table. For week 3, first question, consult first chapter and describe your favorite branch of chemistry. Like, I am interested in organic chemistry because it play important part in development of the common household chemical, food and most of the chemical which are part of daily life. And in respect of today's scenario, you have to differentiate between epidemic and pandemic. For example, coronavirus is pandemic disease. Of course, you can take help from internet. In week 4, a link is given. You have to watch the video and write the answer of the given question according to what you got from the video. In week 5 and 6, solve your worksheets. Now in first worksheet, for first MCQs, use formula of the molarity given in your book as we have done in our class. For second MCQs, use formula of molarity and number of moles to find mass of sodium hydroxide. You can rearrange these formula to find mass of sodium hydroxide as we have done in our class. Rest of the MCQs are theoretical. You have to read chapter number 6 thoroughly so that you can give answer to these MCQs. The question number 2 and 3, for comparison, you will write definition first and in 2 to 3 points give their difference and write example 2. In worksheet number 2, draw given diagram on the loose sheet, and for question number 2, mention the name of the given operators. For example, first one is the test tube holder. In worksheet number 3, for question number 1, write the safety rule in lab according to your experience in your school science lab. For example, never eat in lab. For question number 2, write name of inventor. For example, bulb is invented by Edison. And question number 3, write uses of these compound. For example, HCl is used to purify table salt and sodium chloride is electrolyte which is used to regulate amount of water in your body. In worksheet number 4, for question number 1, use your previous knowledge and take help from internet and try to give answer of the given question. For example, the formula of ozone is O3. For question number 2, thoroughly read chapter number 3 and 5 and take knowledge from internet and write name of the element in the table of state of matter. For example, fluorine is a gas, bromine is liquid and sodium is solid. You have to write at least 2 examples of each state. For question number 3, make list of gases present in air. Like 78% of air is nitrogen and 21% is oxygen. In worksheet number 5, for question number 1, you know that solute is a substance which is in lesser amount and solvent is a substance which is in larger amount. By using this knowledge, identify solute and solvent. For example, like in lemonade, water is solvent because it is in larger amount, and citric acid, sugar and carbon dioxide is solute due to its lesser amount in lemonade. For question number 2, use internet and write information about Dead Sea, commonly known as Sea of Salt because it is one of the world's saltiest body of water, 9.6 times as salty as ocean. Question number 3 and 4 are related to chapter number 6, so carefully read chapter number 6 and write their answer. Allah Hafiz student, good luck for your summer task.